Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular models, the Silonn Ice Maker and the COWSAR Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production, but they come with different features and price points. We'll explore their capabilities, including how fast they make ice, their energy efficiency, and which one is more portable. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which ice maker best suits your needs. When it comes to ice production speed, the Silonn Ice Maker takes the lead by producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the COWSAR Ice Maker produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. This slight edge in output can make a difference during busy gatherings, where quick access to ice is essential. Both machines are designed for efficiency, but the Silonn's ability to produce 1 extra cube per cycle may appeal to those who prioritize speed. Energy efficiency is another critical factor to consider. The Silonn Ice Maker operates at 160 watts, which is higher than the COWSAR Ice Maker's impressive 88 watts. This means that while the Silonn may produce ice slightly faster, it consumes more energy, which could impact your electricity bill over time. The COWSAR's lower power draw makes it a more eco-friendly option, especially for those who plan to use their ice maker frequently. Portability is essential for users who may want to take their ice maker on the go. The Silonn Ice Maker is heavier and less portable, making it more suitable for stationary use in kitchens or home bars. In contrast, the COWSAR Ice Maker is designed with portability in mind, weighing only 11.75 pounds and featuring a convenient carrying handle. This makes it an excellent choice for camping trips or small apartments where space is limited. In conclusion, both the Silonn and COWSAR ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Silonn offers faster ice production and versatility with 2 ice sizes, while the COWSAR excels in energy efficiency and portability. Depending on your needs, whether it's for home use or on-the-go convenience, one of these machines will surely meet your expectations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.